Hello guys, welcome back to MyGo Minds. So in this video, let us learn how to write a program where you can swap two numbers. Okay, so what do you mean by swapping? Swapping is nothing but exchanging. Exchanging of things, values, like gifts and all. So like swapping between two numbers. What do you mean by that? Is nothing but it's a process of exchanging the values of two variables. So let me give an example. A is a variable where it is holding value 10. B is also a variable where it is holding value 20. So after swapping process, A holds 20 and B holds the value 10, which means that B's value will be swapping to A and A's value will be swapped to B. So this is what the swapping means. So in Python we have three different ways for swapping two numbers, which is nothing but one is temporary variable, the other one is arithmetic operations, using arithmetic operations, and also tuple unpacking. So in Java, C, C++, you can use temporary variable and arithmetic operations ways in order to swap the numbers. But tuple unpacking is a method which is only available in Python. So using temporary variable, let us swap two numbers. Okay. So let me take an example where let us take a variable A which is holding the value 5. Okay, so B is equals to, let us take 10. Okay, so let me take a temporary variable now. So where temporary variable, I am storing this A's value. I'm giving this A value to temp variable, which means that this temp is holding 5 now. Okay, temp is holding 5, which means that I'm manipulating the data. Initially, the variable A is holding 5, but now temp is holding 5 because I have assigned it to it. Now, A is equals to B. Now, what is happening? So, like I'm giving now, so that see, A is holding now 10 because B is nothing but 10, right? A is nothing but 5, B is nothing but 10. So now A is holding 10, which means now B is equals to temp. Now B is holding 5. See, we have used a temporary variable and stored this particular 5 inside A so that this temporary is holding 5, and for this A, I am giving B now. Okay, so that the value is not changed. So I have given A for this. Now for this B, I am giving temp. Okay, whereas so let me print in order to check if this is working or not. So A is equals to. So in order to find show, we have to use comma A. So likewise B. So let me run. So if you check, initially A is 5, B was 10, but after swapping A became 10, B became 5, which means that I have manipulated the data. Initially it was 5 and 10, so I have using this, I have stored this particular A's value as in 5. Later this temp I have given to B. Okay, I hope you understood. So let us learn another method of swapping, which is arithmetic operators. Okay. So let us take the same example. A is equals to 5, B is equals to 10. Okay. So using arithmetic operators, which is plus and minus, we will try to swap. So let me take A is equals to A plus B. So A plus B is nothing but which is 10, 5 plus 10, which is 15. So right now, which means that A is equals to 15. Okay. So now let me take B is equals to A minus B. So let us check how. So here, so now the A value is not 5 anymore. It is 15 now. So here 15 minus, what is B value? It's 10, which is nothing but 5. So now B is equals to 5. And So let me take A is equals to A minus B. So what is the value of A now? Here A value is 15 minus, what is the B value now? Here we have manipulated, it was 10 but now it is 5, right? So which is nothing but 10, which means A is equals to 10 now. Okay, so let me check, let me print it. So let me print it. Okay, A is equals to, I wanted to display what value it is. Okay, now for B, same B, and run. So it is 10. A now see, initially it is A is equals to 5, B is equals to 10. After running, A is equals to 10, B is equals to 5. So this is how we have manipulated the data using arithmetic operations and we have swapped it. Okay. Likewise, you can also use multiplication and int operator. Okay. So A into, okay, so since we are using into, so what's the value? 50, right? So now it is holding 50. So int operator is nothing but this. Okay, so here when we use Control Z, so it is 50 now. See, A value is 50. 50 divided by 10, so it gives integer value, so which is 5, right? 10 5s are 50. Okay, so here again, now dividing, so again int operator. So here what happens now? 50 divided by 5, it gives 10. So A is equals to 10. So let me run this and it's swapped. So using into and int operator also, we can swap the values. So we have another method which is tuple unpacking. So tuple unpacking is nothing but it is very easy, which is A is equals to 5, B is equals to 10. We have something like A comma B is equals to B comma A. So by using tuple unpacking, the numbers will be swapped. So let us write the program. A is equals to 5, say B is equals to 10. So A comma B and B comma A. So this is a function which is, so this is a method which is available only in Python. In Java, CS, like C, C++, this is not possible. Okay, so A is equals to A and say print B. Let us check this is working or not by executing. 1 second. It's comma. So let me run and see it's swapped. So this is how we do swapping in Python. So that's it guys. For more such programmatic based scenarios using Python, so please do follow our channel and also please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And also we have our Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. So please go and search MyGo Minds and please do follow us. Thank you so much.